first up, as far as the battle for Maharashtra is concerned, and the very slogan that seems to be resonating wherever elections that are taking place over "Batenge to Katenge" remark that seems to have exploded in the state of Maharashtra as well. Uddhav Thackeray says, "Lootenge aur doston mein baatenge" seems to be the formula that BJP seems to be working on.
आणि सगळे मिळून महाराष्ट्र खाऊ, यांची जी काय वृत्ती आहे, लुटेंगे और बांटेंगे, आणि महाराष्ट्र लुटेंगे आणि दोस्तों को बांटेंगे, ही यांची खरी गोष्ट आहे. बटेंगे या कटेंगे वगैरे नाहीये. महाराष्ट्राला लुटणार आणि आमच्या म्हणजे त्यांच्या दोस्तांना वाटणार, वाटायचा, लुटायचा आणि वाटायचा.
So over "lootenge to baatenge" comment, the BJP has also strongly reacted and criticized Uddhav Thackeray, calling it as a bid to divide Hindus.
उद्धव ठाकरे जी की तो प्रवृत्ति बन चुकी है कि हिंदू को बांटेंगे और वोट बैंक को एक करेंगे. बताइए उद्धव ठाकरे जी, ये कैसा सियासी धर्मांतरण है? अब तो आप उद्धव बाला साहेब ठाकरे सेना नहीं, उद्धव भाईजान तंजीम बन चुके हैं. बाला साहेब ठाकरे जी की सेना नहीं आप तो सोनिया सेना बन चुके हैं. क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से 370 हटने का विरोध करने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए, मंदिर का विरोध करने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए, हिंदुत्व को गाली देने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए.
All right, with reactions that have been coming in on part of the BJP and Uddhav Thackre's Shiv Sena, let's quickly get in a word from Arunil, who is joining in. Arunil, good morning. This is raising the stakes further because we have seen different connotations as far as "Batenge to Katenge" is concerned in various ways that is being used both by the leaders coming in from the BJP side, its allies, and also in the opposition. So Uddhav Thackeray version is now what he calls as "Lootenge or Baatenge."
Well, Amita, good morning to you. Extremely aggressive remarks certainly are coming from both the sides. But what has been interesting to note, Amita, over here is, be it PM Modi, be it Devendra Fadnavis, be it CM Eknath Shinde, all of them are unitedly attacking one leader from the Mahavikas Aghadi, and that is Uddhav Thackeray. They basically are questioning Uddhav Thackeray vociferously, also saying that Uddhav Thackeray should find out from his new friends, that is the Congress party, whether Rahul Gandhi or the other senior Congress leaders will openly praise Uddhav Thackeray's father, that is late Bala Saheb Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray also basically gave his own rhetoric to UP CM Yogi Adityanath's remarks of "Batenge to Katenge." Basically, Uddhav Thackeray said that the exact theme of the Mahayuti is Maharashtra ko baato aur apne doston mein baato. Basically saying that the projects have been taken away from here and given to top industrialists. That is what the allegation from Uddhav Thackeray basically is. PM Modi also asked a question to Uddhav Thackeray, saying that Uddhav Thackeray seems to have joined hands with those parties who do not believe in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but they believe in the killers of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, that is Aurangzeb. They basically want to praise Aurangzeb and not Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. In fact, there was a war of words that basically happened between Asauddin Owaisi and Devendra Fadnavis as well. When Asauddin Owaisi tried to say that the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, basically Aurangabad, is a land of Razakars, Devendra Fadnavis immediately shot back, saying that the Razakars had forcibly occupied this land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and all the Maratha kings basically who took charge after Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj tried to flee the land of Marathwada from the clutches of Razakars. So yes, a kind of a war of words with respect to examples and anecdotes from history as well as the present situation are being used to do divisive politics in Maharashtra certainly, and to basically make aggressive statements, remarks from both the sides.
So the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance seems to be raising the stakes against the BJP in Maharashtra, with Uddhav Thackeray now accusing the BJP of looting and distributing Maharashtra's resources. Meanwhile, we've also heard that from the Prime Minister, calling out Uddhav Thackeray for aligning with the Congress and invoking the legacy of Bala Saheb Thackeray. Here is what Uddhav Thackeray said.
आणि सगळे मिळून महाराष्ट्र खाऊ, यांची जी काय वृत्ती आहे, लुटेंगे और बांटेंगे म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र लुटेंगे आणि दोस्तों को बांटेंगे ही यांची खरी घोषणा आहे. बटेंगे या कटेंगे वगैरे नाहीये. महाराष्ट्राला लुटणार आणि आमच्या म्हणजे त्यांच्या दोस्तांना वाटणार, वाटायचा, लुटायचा आणि वाटायचा.
All right, so that is Uddhav Thackeray during his rally as he has been taking swipe at the BJP over its "Batenge to Katenge" slogan in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, as Uddhav Thackeray said that the party and his allies have the sole agenda of lootenge or batenge. But these are several other issues, Arunil, that we have seen have been or have remained the point of friction, whether it be it, of course, the Shiv Sena being in the alliance of the MVA, then also when it comes to the issue of Hindutva, many of them have also been raising as far as the contribution of Veer Savarkar is also concerned, and also Balasaheb Thakray's legacy, which the BJP has been calling as Uddhav Thackeray faction of being a mismatch within the MBA.
Well, certainly yes. Basically, the BJP, especially the Mahayuti, be it CM Shinde as well as the several BJP leaders who have been taking sabhas across Maharashtra, they have been particularly lashing out at Uddhav Thackeray, saying that you join hands with the arch nemesis of late Balasaheb Thackeray. So the Congress party has been repeatedly making taunts at Veer Savarkar as well. You say that Savarkar is a role model for you, but then how can you sit with the Congress party? Also saying that why don't you ask your new friends,
right,
that is Rahul Gandhi, to basically praise your father,
well,
late
calling out
Balasaheb
on that
Thackeray
mismatch,
openly.
and of course over the recent incidents of his bags being checked had also raised a lot of storm. Krishna Hegde is with us on the phone line. Krishna Hegde, what do you make as far as now the new connotation that is now being made by Uddhav Thackeray over batenge to katenge? He goes on to say that BJP lootti hai aur baantti hai.
It's so funny that Mr. Uddhav Thackeray ji is talking like this because, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation budget is 40,000 crores a year. And they have been running the municipal corporation for 30 years. And everyone knows what is the state of Mumbai: roads, hospitals, schools, infrastructure, water facilities, garbage removal, everything. So basically, they have looted the Mumbai Municipal Corporation for years and years and made their money. Over that, when they came into power, they were asking 100 crores from ladies' bars every month. They were taking money from metro contractors, from Atal Setu contractors, from road contractors, from coastal road contractors, from RA shed contractors, and it is a known fact. So who has been looting, who has been taking money is there for the whole world to see. And therefore, when he says something like this, when he points one finger at us, there are four fingers pointing back at him.
All right. Krishna Hegde, thank you very much for joining in at this point. Of course, reactions and the counter that is now coming in as BJP has also been raising the issue over this remark that has been made by Uddhav Thackeray